how to add a CT, digital or analog clock to the lock screen on iPhone 17 series. So first, let's return back to your lock screen. Now you can do that by pressing on the side button, and this will go to your lock screen. On the lock screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Then tap on Customize button. Down here, tap on the widget panel, and then we scroll down and tap on Clock. Next, we swipe across, and you will see it says CT Digital or Analog widget. So select your preferred widget, and then at the top here, tap on it so that you can choose a city. So here I can scroll down and select a city. So I can select, say, Austin, USA, and then tap on the close button. So this is the digital clock. If you want to add in an analog clock, we can do that as well. So let's swipe across and add in analog clock. Now the analog clock will have a smaller size, and the digital has a larger size widget. Here you can tap on the widget and select a city. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Done button at the top to save the changes. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.